We're going to quickly discuss the 5 areas of business that you need to be focused on as a small business owner, and this will ensure that your business is successful. We're going to call this video the cheat codes for running a profitable small business. Number 1, you have to have a good product. Not only does that product have to be good, it has to be priced well, and your customers have to be able to find you. Number 2, if you have employees, you have to hire for a cultural fit. They have to be trainable. You have to trust them. And above all, you have to buy loyalty. Number 3, HR documentation. Make sure your company is in compliance with federal, state, local laws. Keep good employee relations, and above all else, document. Number 4, customer service. Keep your promises. Actively listen to your customers. Show empathy, and above all else, follow through with anything you promise a customer. Number 5, of course, is money. Hire a good bookkeeper, pay your bills, file your taxes on time, and sit down and review your finances.